Hello, I'm cycling savvy instructor John Allen. While my companion checks a map, I'm riding my bicycle on the route shown by the red arrow, exploring a roundabout on l'Île des Sœurs, Nuns Island, in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. As you may note, my route is not actually in the roundabout. The approach which Quebec has taken toward bicycling is to separate bicycles from motor traffic wherever possible, in this case with paths around the outside of the roundabout. Bicyclists are supposed to operate according to pedestrian rules, obviating one of the main advantages of the roundabout in reducing motorist delay. Usually, in a roundabout, bicyclists ride in the same direction as the motor traffic. But note the dashed center line, the sign Trottoir barré, which means sidewalk is blocked, and the detour sign. The bicycle side path is two-way, and there is construction on the far side of the roundabout. The detour sign instructs bicyclists to ride around the roundabout clockwise for many trips. But I'm now going to ride back to where I started, on the roadway, in the roundabout. It's legal and faster, and I'll be where drivers are looking for traffic. I'm using the partially blocked right-hand lane to release. I see a car in my mirror and let it pass before entering the left lane to continue around the roundabout. It's a courtesy to the driver. I keep to the inside of the roundabout where I'm not in conflict with entering or exiting traffic. This is so easy that I'm going to ride all the way around the roundabout again just to show you how easy it is. Because of the curve of the roundabout, motorists cannot go very fast here. I exit the roundabout at the same leg where I did before. The lane here is wide enough to share with motor vehicles, so I keep right, but then it becomes two lanes, and I merge over toward the center to make a U-turn. I take the same route through the roundabout that I did before. Strictly following rules here, I should already be in the lane in which I'll enter the roundabout. But again, I'm prepared to let a vehicle get ahead of me in case one shows up. Note the yellow striped area ahead. It clearly was an afterthought. There were originally two lanes, but with a one-lane exit next in the roundabout, it was better to reduce traffic to one lane. I slow for bicyclists entering in the crosswalk and return to my companion in the yellow vest who is getting directions from someone she has met.